Meaning of inform.
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 Inform. The word inform means to provide someone with information or knowledge about a particular subject or topic. It can also mean to give personal knowledge or experience to someone in order to influence their understanding or decision-making. When we inform someone, we are sharing information with them in a clear and concise manner, allowing them to expand their knowledge and make informed decisions. Effective communication of information through informing is essential for education, decision-making, and problem-solving. In summary, to inform is to share information and knowledge in order to enable understanding and informed decision-making.